Hi folks, this is Anthony Fuller. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Nash 17K. It's a 2020. It's a short body, wood frame. Now the cool thing about this trailer is that from Northwood, they sit up high. So if you're a hunter and you like to go out in the deep woods, this is the trailer for you. One of the other things that hunters and people that like to go out into the deep woods is that this is one of the only trails that have a spot for a generator. I'll show you that later. So follow me inside. All right, folks. So on the inside of this trailer, as you come in on the right-hand side, you have these nice cubbies with a spot also for to hang your keys. As you can see over top of the bed, you have two big cabinets that could hold a lot of stuff on this one. You also have a nice little nightstand right here with USB and plug-ins. Um, so now when you come around to the bathroom, you got a nice, decent bathroom, porcelain toilet, and if you can look at this trailer, you can see that all the quality is really nice on this one. The wood is it's real wood. You can actually screw in something to this wood, and it won't just pop through. As you come around, you have the big fridge with the fridge and the freezer. You have another storage right beside that where you can put all your groceries in there. Now you have this big, beautiful window in the back to where you can just park this thing anywhere and get a good view of a lake or ocean right there. And you have a nice bench seat right here for a couple or four people. You want to play some cards or some checkers or some chess. You have that here. Then as you come around, you have this nice big countertop. You have this nice big countertop for prepping food. You got all kinds of storage under here. You have these two big cabinets right here. Then you have a stainless steel microwave. You have a stainless steel hood. You have a 3-burner Furrion. And you also have an oven on this one. So if you guys are really interested in this trailer, this is a hunter's dream right here. If you're a hunter or you just, just a couple that want a good view out the back, this is the trailer to call me about. All right, guys. So on the exterior of this Nash, you got the front cap, which is really nice, and you have the diamond plate on the bottom part. Also has a power tongue jack. Now, if you go around to the left side of it, it's going to have a underbelly right there with magnets to open it up. You have a spot for the barbecue grill, and there's an LP hookup right under it. This trailer is also going to have power awnings. It's going to have outside speakers. Now, as you go around to the back, it has the big bumper on the back, and then on the opposite end of that, at the rear end, it's going to have a spot for the generator. So you can look right here and see that it's all insulated for a generator. No slide on this trailer. So if you're looking for a really short trailer that's going to be very quality is going to be top notch on this trailer, you definitely want to call me about the 17K Nash. All right, folks. So also one of the things I forgot to mention that this trailer also comes pre-equipped with a solar panel and controller. So if you have questions about that, feel free to give me a call. Anthony Fuller, 541-653-2818. Thank you for your time. God bless and stay safe.